Hello, my sisters. Today, I introduce my sisters to a dress. This model I see is a round neck. Oh, round neck. Normal hands, but there's a slight folding down here, and this shirt is a body jacket. And the skirt, you see. Hugs start from the pillow and spread out at the bottom. Today we will go together and design this model, my sisters. Here, the first step is to take this long dress. This dress, you'll take it up to the heel. After getting the length, then you'll cross a path. This line we're going to draw is a shoulder line. I'll take it with my shoulder here. Dividing by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2. 16. Then you will take a root of 16. Let's make a perpendicular line down to 4. And then I'm going to take that to my neck. Then the stock divided by years is equal to 30. 5 is equal to 6. I took it in after you. Let's connect point 6 to the point where we just lowered our shoulders. And then you're going to lower your chest. If you lower your breasts here, you will get them. Divide 5 sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. This part is 18. Then you'll draw a perpendicular line across. If you pass by, you will cross your chest with your chest. Divide by 4 plus by 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a root of 22. Then you'll take it down. This is 35. If you put it on the waist, you will take it. Divide by 4 plus 2 by 64 divided by 4 plus 2, we get 18. Then from this outside corner, you measure 18. The next thing is, you're going to take my ass off. My ass is 1089/20. Depending on your height, the taller you are, then we will take the larger number ha. I'm going to have my ass down. Divide by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. You get me 21. Then we'll connect this road to this road. Come here. Come to this asshole for me. Come down and give me 5 gas. Ha. Next year from this year. You just started kicking me out. That's a light rock. Then this light stone you take give me the size. Is the word is? 40 up to 50 billion sisters below us light stones raw. The larger the stone, the essay reduction table. More at the end of the live stream, guys. Then we'll get the dress underneath. It flared out like that. It depends on your material. The more you shake, the more you kick this corner. It'll droop a lot. If you want to just take 5. If you want to get a bigger 4050, we spread out. The material, this pattern is a volleyball, so it's you. Wide stone out comfortable hip no problem. Lead perpendicular backward to gasoline and split in half. We're going to draw the armpit ring here. If you wear it with a different material, it's useless. It's hard, you kick it. Wearing this dress, it's ugly. But if it's made of chiffon, you can stone it. It'll be beautiful. Stone is cut open, expand it out. Then back this part up. Give me 8 inches. Then take it down. Give me 16 ways this road is 4. I'll draw the line. You will sew this neck. It's close to her leg. It should be after a long neck. It's going to be a number. That's equal to 6. That's equal to 5. Then you'll draw me the necklace. Is here like this? Right hip. Then, when you draw this, you should pay attention. My model number is the number 80. It is 6 April 8810. 30 and 32 of these numbers, it's going to change according to your body measurements. So that's when you use the tape measure. How much do I measure on my body? I'll replace it here. I don't use this number. This number is symbolic. Let me draw a guide for you. Remember to note this for me. And when you're done, I will push this part up. 2 gasoline. Then I went out this part. 7 lie. And then you cut it down. Give me some gas, and the buttocks of the body later. Then you'll come out and give me some gas. When we get a gas, then we're going to push this way. Follow the road like this. And then this collar. This collar, you'll come down here. Give me 2. Is like that. Is that we've designed the body. The body of this shirt. I cut. And please note, it's the body of my shirt. It's mine. There is no seam. When you sew the dress, you have to put it on the cloth, and you have to cut the seams. The red line you're cutting, it will belong to the back. The red one I cut will belong to the back. The body behind the body before you cut it. So that's after you cut the words. The back of the body, you guys. Give me a sign. The waistline. What to do to draw the back line. And we'll draw the side. I took the previous part raha. The clothes we wear that we want to hug are from here. 3 glasses off. Give me a break. Don't leave your back, and this part you hit in. Give me 1.5 inches. 1.5 hectares of this part you hit 3 glasses, and then you split this piece in half. Then you've got to get it down to 16. And it's going to be 4 petrol blocks from this road. Then you'll draw me the vertical. And I remember the chest. I will reduce by a fraction. So here you are going to cut me the part. Live on your back. Then you cut off my chest. Over here. This will be the back of the body. Our next body is that it will multiply. 2 because it's going to bottle the zipper to this end. That's why you have to cut to pieces. Then we can bottle the zipper. And that's it, the back. Now to the body first. The body first, you will cut for the neck. Cut for the shoulder. Cut for the armpit. And then the butt of the body first, it's gaping. It's as wide as the back. So you're going to go down the blue line. It will belong to the body first. Then we'll get this part, that's the part. Body first. You guys, this is the front. This previous part will be multiplied
Because
for a
this
reason.
is the fabric.
You double this piece of cloth. Rear zipper. After we're done, Then the last one is the long hand and the puffy hand. Then you'll measure me for the armpit ring. Take the ruler I measured here, I measured 22. The body behind you is 22. Then we measure the body before the body after. You are all equal. In this way you will continue. Expand the part. There's some paper left so we can draw for the armpit. This hand, you're going to cut it off as the long hand. Then measure it down from here. It'll be your chest. Divide by 10 plus ba. 80 to 10 plus for ba. This number 80, is the chest line, and it will change. You will be 13. 13 come down here. And build a perpendicular line. And then you're going to take 22 plus 2. The one I measured on my armpit is 44. Divide by 2 is equal to 22. 2 or 2 have this number, ladies. Here, I measured the armpit. I put it in the back as well. Let's connect this row to 22. Then split it in half. Then, the sleeves, you take the long sleeve as you like. Then you can open the door. I stopped the square ruler The width of the door is 22. Then you connect this road here. This part is up. Give me 2 inches of this. You guys got 14 of this. It's going to be with my hand. No matter how long your hands are, you will turn them around. Go there. For example, my long arm. As I lay here, I cut it, and it's 11. Plus 1/2, let's say the width is equal to 12. Then this cufflink of mine is that you only need to take 12. 12 is here, this is the set. You will be able to remove this part. Put the hand in, and we'll have the sleeves here. The back hand is following the red line above. If the first hand, then you'll come down here and give me some gas. We'll get the first hand. Then we'll get the sleeve and the cuff. Like this, you cut it. We'll glue it with double hands. And then this part, you're going to pull it back. I am lucky to be there. Either way, you'll see your hand. It will be. I cut. We're going to get rid of this part twice. Then we keep the towel. You will look again at the way we are. Design for this dress. Towel before, towel after. In the process of watching the video clip, if there's anything you don't know, or do you need your support? Sewing cutting instructions directly on the load. If I get 10 comments, I will. Instructions on how to sew directly on the fabric. I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.